Hello everyone, in this video we will add two wall types that we will need in our project. I will use two wall types, exterior and interior. To define these types, go to wall tool or use the keyboard shortcut WA. You can choose this tool from the list. To make the exterior walls, go to edit type, duplicate. I don't want to use this type, or to edit on it, duplicate, give it any name, go to structure and click on edit. I want to use 20 centimeters blocks for the exterior walls, and choose any suitable material. Maybe this material is good. Insert two layers for the exterior side and one for the interior side. Make it as a finish. These will be the plaster. For the outside, the thickness will be 2 centimeters, and for the interior side, the thickness will be 1.5. Choose the material. I will choose plaster. And okay, you can add a thin layer to add paint here, or we will fix it later. Now we have the exterior walls. I will add the interior walls. Go to edit, duplicate. Interior walls will be 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Go to edit, edit to 15 centimeters, and it will be 1.5 centimeter plaster layer for the exterior side and the interior side. You can preview the section. Okay. Go to any floor plan. I will start from level 0. Use the wall tool or WA. Make it connected to level 1. Draw from center line. You can fix these options from here. Top to level 1 and the base on level 0. No offset, no top offset. You can start drawing your walls. I am starting this project here, so I don't have any exterior file, but if you have a PDF file or AutoCAD or even a photo, you can insert or link it here. Go to insert and use one of these tools. We will talk about this later. In this project we will start in Revit. I will draw rooms, I will draw walls in the next video.